Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The only problem, sir, I have with the Nddc, no synergy with the states. I took Nddc to court and we defeated them. How? You enter in somebody's state, you don't even know the development plan of the state. You start distorting the development plan of the state. The road you want to do is not your road. You want to realize with the state and say, look, what project do you want in this state? If you ask all the 9 states in the Niger Delta, say state A, what kind of project do you want Nddc to execute? We are not interested in who will be the contractor. Our interest is that we are synergizing with you so that you don't repeat those things we are doing. Sometimes you go into our schools, you begin to build 6 classroom block, another person's school. I mean, how do you go to somebody's school without his permission? You begin to go to health centers to build. Who told you that is our priority? So time has come that you must synergize with the states. Let us leave this politics. The governor of Rivers State is PDP. The governor of Akwa Ibom is PDP. The governor of Delta is PDP. The governor of Edo is PDP. So, forget them. If you say forget them, you are doing more harm to the people. Mr. President, let me first of all report that there is no collaboration we have had with the Nddc that they have completed one. The Mother and Child Hospital, we are supposed to have collaborated with Nddc. We brought our own part of the money. Nddc didn't bring it down. Okay, refund us our money that you are holding. It was a war. Thank God they know if they didn't pay what the problem will look like. And they paid back that money. Now, the headquarters, where they are now, you told me in government house that you partner with the state government, that you're going to bring 2.5 billion, the state government will bring 2.5 billion for the dualization of the papers. As I speak, you have not brought 1 naira. Meanwhile, the road is almost 95% ready. If you don't pay, I will make sure you won't use that road to your headquarters. Because, yes, because I'm not there for a Christmas. Yes. Yes, because, you see, about the fact that you have built this one for police, IG will not send police to support you that day. Because I'm going to be the one that will need to block that road. Because you must fulfill what you have promised. You cannot make us to go into that kind of project and then you are withdrawing. Last night I asked you, it says in the budget, which budget? Which budget? So, Mr. President, please tell the Minister of Niger Delta to tell Nddc to pay their own counterpart fund of 2.5 billion. Don't promise and run away. It is not good.
Inside the Niger Delta,